Jacqueline, are you sitting outside in a chair? Are you sitting outside in a chair? Yeah? Like a big girl? Oh my goodness. Yeah? Ha ha! Boo! Hi, baby. You're sitting out on the front porch. Oh my goodness. What a big girl you are. Whoops! Mommy almost fell. What a big girl you are. Hi. Ah, boo boo boo, I got boo boo. Yeah? You want to say something? Can you say dad dad? Dad, dad, dad. Can you do that? Dad. You don't want to say anything? Jacqueline. Jacqueline. Oh, you don't want to eat that chair. It's dirty. Guess what? Oh, that's good noise. Boo. 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 You look so cute in your new red dress from Gamka. I know, it came from India. You're so lucky. Oh my goodness. Boo. Now you look like a explorer. Yeah? You are too cute. Is that finger tasty? I know your toes are. Look at you with your little bow on your back. You're so cute. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say have a nice day. Jacqueline. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can Jacqueline wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Bye-bye. Good job. Bye-bye.